it's an absolutely incredible feeling. Right now, I'm excited, I've got butterflies, I'm nervous. I'm incredibly happy. I'm so proud of the teams. We've worked, really hard for this. This is something that, the girls that I'm graduating with, we've never got to do, and we've worked hard for it all season. We've had our setbacks here and there, so to overcome everything and to, at this point, say that we're going to actually go dancing means everything.
I think it's awesome. This has been a goal of ours since I've gotten here, my class has gotten here. We've been through a lot, and I wouldn't want to be here with any other group of girls. So it's a dream come true to be able to make it. We're super pumped, especially to go to California. So
I think every single person on our team is absolutely thrilled to be going. It was a goal of ours for the entire season, and it's pretty exciting that we made it. I've never been to California, so I'm trying to bring my bathing suit, get a little tan. But other than that, Michigan's got a tough team coming for them, and we're ready to make a run in the tournament.
Excited. Super excited to be in the tournament finally after last year in the NIT and then this year NCAA tournament, so we're excited.